Hey guys. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Morgan and it's spelled with an E, so Morgan with an E, and I am post-match. I have a job starting in July, and I'm so excited. What is this? Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, y'all, I put a pimple sticker on my face last night and it's stuck to my chest, so that's how well that worked. Okay, so we're going to see some thrift store outfits. So first I'm going to clean up my room a little bit because it's a little bit of a mess. Clean my closet so that I can actually find things to style with, and then we'll get into it and talk about where I matched and what that means for the next couple of months. Okay, so I have a few different things that I got from the thrift store this week. So I got this shirt. It's like a short sleeve, like linen top, and I feel like it's really versatile. I'm gonna try that first, like styling that first, but I need to iron it. So I'm gonna iron that. And I got this longer sleeved one that's tan. I'm trying to go for more neutrals in my wardrobe because I just have so many colors that do not go together and I need to do better. Then I have 3 pairs of shorts that are all thrift store shorts, and I've had them for years actually. Like each one of these is at least, I want to say like 6 years old. So we're gonna work on like getting some cuter outfits than just jean shorts and a t-shirt out of these. And I got this cute skirt, also needs to be ironed, but I think it's super cute, has little slits on the sides. And I got these jeans. And they're really cute. They fit pretty good, but they have these kind of subtle stains in the knees, and so I was going to make another pair of jeans out of them because I have this pair that I've still been wearing, but they have this huge hole in the butt, and my mom keeps making comments about it, as she probably should. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these and replace them with those, make another pair of jean shorts as if I need more, because obviously there's also this pair. I'm gonna try them on. They don't fit the best because they're a little bit more low rise, and like the thighs are a little bit too tight. So I don't know, they're not the most comfortable things, even though they're cute and they're Levi's, but I think we'll have to get rid of those. Then I have these pair of pants, which all of my closest friends know for sure. I wear them all the time. I cut off the bottoms. They're super cute, but I think it's time for us to find some new ways to wear these as well. I'm not getting rid of them. Don't get it twisted, but okay, I had to change out of my shirt because it was really hot. So I put on the short sleeve, and we're going to put these little thingies into my shoes. Okay, so these are obviously a looser jean. Definitely would either wear these like this and have more of a boyfriend cut, or put on some sort of a belt with them. But literally I could do the same exact outfit. I don't really like the shoes with this one as much. I feel like they have to be dressed up a little bit more because they're so loose. I have these, which I think is a little bit cuter, but it still looks super loose. I don't know. Then I have these as more of a dressy option. I actually wore those with these jeans yesterday and a belt, and then these as more of a like fall rainy day type of option. So I don't know, I'm gonna try these on without socks. And I think that's super cute. I have another jean jacket. Sometimes I'll wear. I like a lot of double denim outfits.
So I think that's a cute little double denim outfit right there.
This is an outfit that I actually wore yesterday, and I literally just put the wider legged jeans with this loose top. Again, same thrift store. Had a really good day this week at the thrift store. I like this idea of wearing it out and just loose. I think that this is cute depending on the situation, but it is pretty big. So I figured when I got it that, you know, I could wear it buttoned up or tuck it in like a little French tuck like that, which honestly is probably how I should have worn it yesterday. I ended up wearing it all the way tucked in and I didn't really like it. Gatsby is yet again in my way. A snack? Come on, let's get a snack. So I kept these shoes on, and yeah, I like this. And then I figured that with the right pants, I could also like tie it up, because again, it's like a really loose shirt. But I'm not really that good at tying shirts, so that's something that I'm gonna have to get better at, but you get the gist. I could wear this shirt unbuttoned as well, but I kind of like that better because I feel like it's not as oversized, and so I don't want to button it without tucking it. Sir, go back. Go. Okay, thank you. So I could wear it with these sandals. Let's see, I have two different pairs of tennis shoes, and don't judge me because they're very dirty, but these, which are like ugly and also ugly, whatever. I just am not bad. I don't think either of them is horrible. They just both need to be cleaned. This is getting a little. Are you down to be a distraction, baby? Now that I have this ironed and with a different shirt, I like it even more than when I was in the thrift store. Like, this is so cute. just wrinkled my skirt, but whatever. Very cute.
Drop that.
Oh.
So it took me 20 minutes to eat 4 raspberries. 20 minutes to eat 4 raspberries? I was just really struggling to get it down. I was right.
Yeah, I feel like this is so extra, but I like it.
I kind of like that.
It like here.
Oh, okay.
But I think this is cute. I don't know at what point I would be able to have my legs out like this, but need a bubble coat. But
They don't understand.
just because I'm obsessed with this coat.
It's not bubbly. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Like, that's kind of cute. I sound like Nitty. It's cute.
That's cute, you guys. That is cute. I like that. I think that's one of my favorite options.
Oh my god. Yeah, I did because it was ugly.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Well, not like that. Try looking a bun. Yeah. Like
Oh. Look at it's so.
I like that. I like that.
It's sticking straight out from my stomach.
Yeah.
And now I want more of a like pointed, like almondy.
Yeah.
And I want it shiny because these are
It's just more cuter.
too casual. I just want them cuter. I think Gatsby is very over me because we're not leaving the house today. But
Does he not see the water coming
exactly,
from the side?
bro, it's like legit a swell out there. It's flooded. No, it's flooded though. Like the maintenance men were out there trying to unplug this drain in the ground. They couldn't get it. Oh wow, I like it buttoned too. This is cute.
That's cute. That's cute. I like
Okay,
it.
look, this is 2 items that I like kind of splurged on and was like, I'm only gonna wear this once. And now I got a whole bunch of outfits. Okay, so we just left my new favorite store, Muji. Shout out to Kelly Stamps. Your favorite too?
Yeah.
And this is me remembering that I never recorded a finishing, that's really loud. I never recorded an ending to my last video. So here's one of the outfits. And I hope you enjoyed watching me try on clothes in my own home during a tornado. Bye guys.